Still got your pearls hanging by my bedside. Still got your lips on paper in a trash now. I never knew love could be so sweet. I never knew it would sting. I never knew love like this would leave me in pieces. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelles Glam Home. Well, today's video, guys, is a decorate with me, decorating with candles. I hope you enjoy. So guys, in a recent video I asked you what you'd like to see me decorate with next, and one of my sweet subscribers, Mrs. HB, asked if I would decorate with candles. So I'm going to start first of all showing you my fireplace mantle. Now I picked up these beautiful candles from Amazon, guys. These are the flameless flickering candles and they come in a pack of 9. I'll leave them linked for you down below. Now these candles come with a remote control and they have a timer on them, a 2-hour and a 4-hour, and I love that I can move these around the home and display them in all different ways. Now I've also added some flameless flickering candles that I picked up from my local dollar store, and I've placed those in those 3 candle holders. Now I wanted to share with you my recent coffee table book purchase. This beautiful book by Megan Heiss is absolutely stunning, guys. It's very glam and I love decorating with this book with my candles. Now guys, I do tend to use a few real candles throughout my home, but I do tend to go more for the battery operated ones, just for the fact that you don't have to worry about them catching fire and so forth. But I did love this one, the leopard print one from TK Maxx. Now in my kitchen I've used some real candles as well. I really love the Ray Dunn candles that are out at the moment, and I recently done this new display on my shelves with the Ray Dunn one, and I also have this black candle which is from Kmart.
I wanna hold you close, but you know my mind is torn up. I never thought it'd be like this. We're like a broken record, 'cause we always mess it up. Even though we say we never do that, so here we go. Acting like we do, we say things that are not true, but somehow I'm still here.
Now in my kitchen I've also added these battery operated candles at the top of my range hood, and they are from Pillow Talk.
much it feels like we're like fireworks that burst into the sky, and then it's all like that. So here we go, acting like we do. We say things that are not true, but somehow I'm still here. I'm addicted to the way you make me feel. I've been trying to get away, but you're like chemicals, chemicals, and I don't know if what we have is even real. All I know is that you're in my head, like chemicals, chemicals, oh, whoa, oh, whoa, oh, chemicals, chemicals, oh, whoa, oh, whoa, oh, chemicals.
Guys, I absolutely love decorating with candles, whether they be the real ones or the battery operated ones. I love the cozy atmosphere it gives my home.
Wanna hold you close, but you know my mind is torn up. I never thought it'd be like this. I'm addicted to the way you make me feel.
So now I'm in my home office and I love adding a little cute candle in my display here on my desk. I really love these Ray Dunn candles. Not only are they super cute, but they really smell so pretty, and they are from TK Maxx.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling.
So guys, now I'm going to show you a really cute DIY I recently did with candles. I had this piece of spare timber in my garage and I decided that I would take it outside and stain it in a beautiful maple finish. I then had these two bookends, very rustic bookends, and I'm going to make a shelf out of them.
The best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move.
Now I also picked up recently, guys, from Amazon this 12-pack of battery operated candles. Now I must point out, I didn't realise it at the time, but these ones aren't the flickering ones like you've seen at the beginning of the video. So I'm going to leave both for you down below. But these ones are also battery operated and come with a remote control and timer.
You can do, make a move, the way my hands feel on.
So these are those really pretty bookends that I'm going to use for my shelf, and I got my hubby to place it on the wall for me.
The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. Every breath that we're taking, with every step you're falling in love. Every move that I make.
And here is how I styled the beautiful Amazon candles. I absolutely love how cozy this has made my bedroom. I've switched all the lights off here, guys, so you can see what it looks like with the lights off. It is daytime when I'm filming here though, and I'm going to show you a clip now at night time with the lights on. And I just love how these battery operated candles give such a cozy atmosphere to the room.
I need to believe it was right letting you go, 'cause you are like a ghost in my mind. I wanna escape you, but I do not believe it was right letting you go. I can't stand the thought of losing you. Tell me, do you think of me too? 'Cause every song just reminds me of you, and it kills me. No, it was a mistake letting you go. 'Cause every song just reminds me of you, and it breaks my heart. You're still here, though we're apart. I'm seeing your face in my dreams.
Guys, leave me a comment down below whether you like to decorate with candles in your home.
The scenes just go on. I'm hearing your voice.
Now guys, I'm really enjoying this Decorate With Me series, so I'd love for you to leave me a comment down below on what you'd like to see me decorate with next.
I can't stand the thought of losing you. Tell me, do you think of me too? 'Cause every song just reminds me of you, and it kills me. No, it was a mistake letting you go. 'Cause every song just reminds me of you, and it breaks my heart. You're still here, though we're apart.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to decorating with candles.
Tell me it's over.
A big shout out to my sweet subscriber Mrs. HB for giving me a wonderful idea for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Now guys, don't forget to tap your notification bells because I'll be back next week with another Decorate With Me video. Please leave your comment down below on what you think I should decorate with next. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel because I'd love for you to join Chelles Glam Home family. So until next time my friends, I thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.